Dialogue Part 2. Dialogue ya May I sit here? May I sit here? May I sit here? Ese nakwicara hano? Yes, you may. Yes, you may. Yego. Will you teach me? Will you teach me? Uzanyigisha. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yego, nzabikora. Could you tell me time? Could you tell me time? Ese wambwira igihe? Sure, it's 3 p.m. Yego, ni saa 9 z'umugoroba. Can you fix my computer? Can you fix my computer? Ese wankorera computer? Yes, I can take a look. Yes, I can take a look. Yego, nshobora kuyifata nkareba. Shall we meet at 5 p.m.? Shall we meet at 5 p.m.? Ese twahura saa 11 z'umugoroba? Yes, that sounds good. Yes, that sounds good. Yego, byaba ari byiza cyane. What do you do? What do you do? Ukora iki? I'm a student. I'm a student. Ndi umunyeshuri. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Uvuga Icyongereza? Yes, I can speak a little English. Yes, I can speak a little English. Yego, vuga Icyongereza gake. How are you? How are you? Umeze ute? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Meze neza murakoze. Naho wowe? What is this? What is this? Iki ni igiki? This is a pen. This is a pen. Iyo ni ikaramu. What that? What is that? Kiriya ni igiki? That is a book. That is a book. Kiriya ni igitabo. Who is calling you? Who is calling you? Ninde uri guhamagara? My mom is calling me. My mom is calling me. Mama ari kumpamagara. What are you doing? What are you doing? Uri gukora iki? I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. Ndi gukora umukoro wo mu rugo. When do you leave for school? When do you leave for school? Ujya ku ishuri sangahe? I leave at 8 a.m. I leave at 8 a.m. Njya ku ishuri saa 2 za mu gitondo. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Kubera icyo uri kurira? I'm crying because I'm sad. Ndi kurira kubera ko mbabaye. I'm crying because I'm sad. Which color do you like? Which color do you like? Ni irihe bara ukunda? Which color do you like? Ni irihe bara ukunda? I like the color blue. I like the color blue. Nkunda ibara ry'ubururu. Do you like it here? Do you like it here? Ese urahakunda? Yes, I do. Yego ndahakunda. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and comment, share.